Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a smartphone that's making waves by completely rewriting the rules. For years, we've been told you have to choose. Do you want a sleek, thin phone, or do you want a phone with a massive battery? It's been a classic trade-off in the tech world, a technical contradiction that's been almost impossible to reconcile, until now. The device we're talking about is the Nubia Air, and it's here to prove that you can, in fact, have both. This isn't just another mid-range phone. Nubia is positioning it as a new category altogether, the Air-style smartphone. It's a bold move, and today we're breaking down exactly how they pulled it off. Design and durability, breaking the physics barrier. First, let's talk about the design. When you pick up the Nubia Air, the first thing you notice is how incredibly thin it is. It measures just 6.7 millimeters in total, tapering down to a stunning 5.9 millimeters at its thinnest point, with a total weight of only 172 grams. Think about that for a second. Competitors with a 5,000 mAh battery are usually 8 to 9 millimeters thick and weigh over 200 grams. The Nubia Air is one of the thinnest 5,000 mAh smartphones on the global market. But here's the real kicker. This super slim device also has premium durability. It's equipped with an IP69K rating for water and dust resistance. An IP69K rating is a flagship-level feature that's rare in this price segment, and it means the phone can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets, not just being submerged in water like an IP68 rating. Nubia says this level of build quality is what allows the device to offer more than 3 years of reliable daily use. Display and performance, a strategic trade-off. Next up is the display, and this is another area where Nubia chose to prioritize a stunning user experience. The Nubia Air features a large 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's a significantly higher resolution than the standard FHD Plus screens you typically see on phones in this price range. The real wow factor is the screen's brightness. It can hit an incredible local peak brightness of up to 4,500 nits. This is a spec usually reserved for top-tier flagship phones, and it makes the screen super easy to see even in direct sunlight. Now, to achieve this slim design and premium display, Nubia had to make a strategic choice on the chipset. They went with the Unisoc T8300, a mid-range processor built on a 6-nanometer process. While it offers improved energy efficiency, Nubia admits this chipset is not ideal for demanding games. This is a conscious trade-off. High-performance chips generate a lot of heat and require complex cooling systems, which would make the phone thicker and heavier. By opting for a more power-efficient chipset, Nubia ensured the phone could maintain its core identity, being incredibly thin and light. Battery life and AI features. The cornerstone of the Nubia Air's unique value is its battery. Despite the super thin body, it packs a massive 5,000 mAh battery. This is the largest battery capacity ever integrated into a device with a 6.7 millimeter total thickness. They also focus on long-term battery health, with the battery being able to maintain over 1,000 charge cycles, ensuring a reliable device for over 3 years. The phone is also equipped with a range of AI-powered features. The AI performance engine includes AI scheduling to optimize CPU performance in real time, and app freeze to close unused apps, which can extend battery life by up to 20% and reduce overall power consumption by 25%. You'll also find AI tools for imaging like AI Super Night and AI HDR, along with lifestyle features like AI Real-Time Translate for two-way phone call translations. Pricing and final thoughts. Nubia has positioned this phone for a very specific user, someone who values style, comfort, durability, and a great viewing experience over raw gaming performance. This is a phone for the style-conscious user, office workers and commuters, especially women who want a phone that's comfortable to hold for extended periods of time. The official price for the Nubia Air in Vietnam is 5,490,000 Vietnam dong, but during the pre-order period, it's been a whopping 4,990,000 Vietnam dong. On top of that, you get a free gift worth 1,700,000 Vietnam dong, like a smartwatch or JBL speaker. At this price point, with its unique physical strengths, like the 6.7 millimeter thickness and IP69K rating, the Nubia Air offers an insane value that's hard to ignore. So what do you think? Does this new Air-style category appeal to you? Or would you rather have a thicker phone with a more powerful chipset? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives like this one.